Most people think money has to be stressful or complicated, but it really doesn't. Today, I'm sharing 7 mindful habits that have completely changed my financial life. These habits are simple, sustainable, and best of all, anyone can follow them even if you've struggled with money in the past. My name is Sham, and welcome to Men on Data, where we look at money in a mindful manner. Habit 1. The 10-second pause. Before buying anything, pause for 10 seconds. This breaks the emotional trigger behind spending. Most must-have purchases disappear once your brain switches from impulse to clarity. Habit 2. The weekly money reset. Every Sunday, I want you to take 10 minutes out of your day to check in with your money. Ask, what did I spend this week? Where can I improve on? Were there any surprise expenses that came up? This removes shame and replaces it with awareness, and that's a huge step. Habit 3. Spend on your values and cut everything else. Now, let me be clear. Being mindful doesn't mean you have to scorch earth and live on nothing. Pick 3 things that you can spend on that gives you intrinsic value. And I want you to spend on these things guilt-free, but within reason, of course. And cut ruthlessly on anything you don't value. Habit 4. Automate your savings. Automation is mindful money's best friend. I want you to save first and only spend what's left. When money moves automatically, it takes away willpower and emotion out of the equation. Remove these obstacles before they even appear. Why even trouble yourself? Habit 5. Daily mindful awareness. Once a day, reflect on a money decision. What did that bring you? Did that bring you joy? Did that bring you relief? This is important because it builds financial self-awareness. Do this at least once a day. Habit 6. The good enough budget. Your budget doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to work. And a simplified budget beats a complicated one every single time. Mindfulness means being okay with imperfection and taking things one day at a time. Habit 7, the 10% future fund. Whenever you get any sort of extra money, whether it's a bonus, a gift, or whatever it may be, I want you to make a habit of putting away 10% of that for any future opportunities. This builds a lot of financial confidence, a buffer, and gives you a sense of optimism. Any one of these habits is enough to start transforming your finances. Try one this week and watch the incremental improvements spread into other parts of your life. Let me know in the comments below which habit you're starting today, and make sure to save this video because after all, we're all in this together. That's your mindful moment. Like and subscribe for more. And as always, stay wealthy and healthy. I'll see you guys on the next one.